here, we just use the specification of channel as an example. Okay? And yesterday, when we do experiment, we just use the black face of rod. Yeah? Black face. Here, we use the black face and red face together. And in the first experiment, you have say black, the 0 point, the starting point reading for black face is 0. Yeah? But for red, it's different. We have two rows. One is 4687. Another is 4787. And have a difference 100 millimeters. And according to the specification, of course, the specification is not simple as this, maybe complex and has other restriction. And here is just some main limits. For example, for the third, we say the set distance should last 65. That means the instrument and the rod, the distance between instrument and the rod should less than this number. Force should less than 80 meters. And here, the difference of sight distance. Because we say to eliminate some certain error, you should place the instrument just in the middle of the rods and keep the backside distance and the foresight distance equal roughly. Yeah? But in real work, we cannot make it equal exactly. So that means always there are some difference between these two distances. So the distance should be less than 3 meters and 5 meters. Yeah? Should be less than. And the total difference of sight distance. For each station, you should keep the two distances equal roughly. So for each station, the difference should be less than this number. But a leveling route includes many stations. So the difference of sight distance of all routes should be less than this. The first station, the back set more than 4 sets, 5 meters. The second station, maybe the back set distance is more than 4 sets, 2 meters. So the total difference of sight distance of these two stations is 7. Yeah, 7. So for a route, the leveling route there will be many stations. So the sum of them, the difference of sight distance should be less than 5 or 10 meters. And the difference of readings, that means for backside, we have black face and red face. You say in theory, the red face reading should equal black face reading plus the rod 0 point reading. Yeah? Of course, because the last digital, the millimeter digital, is estimated by yourself. Yeah. Maybe by you and by others may be different. So we say this difference, we can think this is just an error caused by yourself, and this should be less than 2 or 3 millimeters. And the difference of H, this H means elevation difference, get by black face and red face. Because we get the backside reading and foresight reading, but at the same time we get the reading from black face and red face. So the elevation difference can be calculated by black face and by red face. Okay? So the difference, the H got by black face and by red face maybe have different. Of course, in theory, they have a 100 millimeter difference in theory. But except this 100, maybe they are more than 100. So the error should less 3 and 5. This is just for the third and the fourth class. This here we have 5 indexes. This is some main indexes, but at the same time, of course, we have other indexes to obey. Okay, this is for third and the fourth. For example, for second class leveling root, second order, for this index is should less than 50, should 50. Okay, and for example, for second class leveling root, this should less than 0.5, 0.7 millimeter. This is high precision, high precision. Of course, the instrument used is different. Yeah. This
class.
Mm.
Can be less than 65, or it has to be in the middle of 65 and 80.
Oh no, just 65. Less than it is okay.
I mean for
4. Of course,
can be
yes.
less than 65, or it has to be in the middle.
Less than this. 80.
Just less than.
Less than
Less
80
than.
greater than
Yeah.
65.
Just the less than is okay. Okay. Less or equal also, but you cannot beyond this. Okay. Cannot beyond. Okay. Of course, we see this example for the precision. Now, yesterday we do normal class. That means we just get reading by blackface, and each station we get 2 readings, backside reading and forward reading. Here we should get 8 readings, 8 readings. Because when in the view of a telescope, we say we have 3 horizontal hair, yeah, 3 horizontal, 2 short and 1 central, 1 central. And yesterday we just used the central hair to get the reading. Now we should use the upper, lower, and the central 3 vertical hair to get readings. First, for each station, first step, backside, blackface, 3 waves, upper, lower, central. The upper and the lower readings used for what? Used to determine the distance between the rod and the instrument. Of course, with low precision. This distance is not used for determine the plane coordinates. It's just to use for make the these 2 distances equal roughly. So with low precision, And this is 3 readings, yeah, upper, lower, center. Rotate MS 4 sets, and get upper, lower, center. Then turn around, right face, center, just the center. Okay, just the center. And oh, sorry, here it should be 4 sets. Okay, 4 sets. Right face, middle, center, and rotate telescope and back side. Right face, middle map. Okay, so we have 8 regions. Black face we get 6, and red face we get 2. The total is 8 regions. Yeah. Of course, the specification may be changed in several years according to the development of the instrument or technology. May be changed. For example, several years ago, for the third and the fourth, we say for third we can back 4 back these steps, and for fourth class we can back 4 back, or back 4. That means we get readings of back set 110, and then we get the 4 set readings. But now, nowadays the specification is changed. For fourth, if you use digital leveling, level, you have to get back firstly, then forceps reading. Yeah, that means different period, maybe the steps or index or the detail of the specification will change, Yeah, okay. Here we just an example. We say the step should be backset, forcet, backset. Okay, okay. And after observation of this station, we must finish the calculation and checking of this station. Then we say move the instrument to second station and move the backset rule for the second station's forceps rule. Okay? And we said yesterday, when you move the instrument, never cock it back. Okay? Just move. If he is not stupid, he will come following. Yeah? You see? In this position, no moving for the forceps support. Because for this high precision leveling route, usually we must repeat the station observation. Usually, because we have many index, many limits. One number beyond the limits, you should repeat the station. So, pay attention to the support. Once the support moves, so the work is should repeat from the starting point to here. Yeah? It's so tight. And this is table.